Theatrical, very obvious. People go to a movie theater, they buy tickets to see your movie. TVOD, where somebody goes to your film and they have to either pay $4.99 to rent it or pay $9.99 to buy it. But they're paying transactionally for your film specifically online. SVOD, people are paying a monthly subscription fee, but then they get to watch any film for free, including yours. So they're paying for it, but they're not paying for yours directly. It's cable VOD, which is like TVOD, but you do it through your television. AVOD is usually the film is available for free to anybody who watches, but there are ad breaks. You make a share of the profit from the revenue of the ads. Domestic airlines mostly only buy the big films now, but international airlines, there's a huge market for indie films. Believe it or not, people do still buy DVDs and Blu-rays sometimes. You really do generally have to go through a sales agent and sort of sell the film off to distributors in those countries who will then distribute the film. And also merchandise, which is a major untapped revenue source, but is a primo revenue source if you can make it work.